Hey, what's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing or sharing to you my puto. This is the second time that I made this, so this is quite really fun for me and quite interesting. I know there's a lot of version of how people make their own puto, but I wanna share to you what's mine. So we are going to use a all-purpose flour. That's one cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 beaten egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence will do, and then 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. And I am going to use as well a 1/4 teaspoon of salt just to balance the taste. And we'll be using this topping a cheese. Any kind of cheese will do. This will be on top of our mixture when it's ready. So I have the molds in here. I made it ready as well. I just grease a melted butter in it. You can use cooking oil as well if you would like to. So I don't know if this is enough for my mixture, but I have like 9 pieces ready here. So first, we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. So I'm going to pour here the 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is the 1/2 cup of white sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we'll just have to mix this very well. So puto, guys, cannot only serve just holidays. You can make this any time of the year, and I know a lot of people likes to have puto. It's just a traditional kind of kakanin in the Philippines. So like that. And now I am going to add this 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So our dry mixture is blended well. Just gonna set that aside. Now we're gonna go ahead with the wet ingredients. So I'm going to pour first this 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 beaten egg, and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you can use vanilla essence as well. So we're just gonna mix that as well. I hope everyone is having a wonderful celebration with your family. And then now we're gonna go ahead, mix this, and pour this to our dry ingredients. There's a little few amount of the butter, egg left. So anyways, we just have to mix them all. We have to mix this really well until it get the consistency that we want. The texture needs to be like fluffy and buttery. So here's the consistency of our mixture, mga loves. It should be like that. So it's very well blended and fluffy. So I'm just going to add now here inside to our mold. I'm gonna add a little bit of amount each one of it. Like that, should be perfect. And then I'm going to put this cheese on top of it. So I suggest if you are going to use quick melt butter or something like that, try to less the time while you're steaming it. Alright, so I'm going to put this in our steamer in a few minutes. So here it is, guys. It's ready for steaming. So I just put like 6 amount inside. So anyways, one of the technique to do the puto is that you have to put a white cloth, like a really cotton white cloth, really thin one, to avoid the moisture inside, para hindi papasok yung water or yung tubig sa loob ng mixture natin kasi nag-evaporate siya. So I'm not gonna use a white cloth today. I'm just gonna go ahead, cover this with foil like that and put the lid on top of it. So I am going to steam our mixture, our puto, for at least 15 minutes, and then I'll show it to you. Here guys, our puto is ready and it was successful. I just decided to add on 1 strip of cheese on top. So here it is, our finished product. I hope you will learn something from this video today, and I hope you're gonna try this recipe. It is very easy. I'm going to leave all the ingredients down below so you can try them at home. Thank you so much guys, and you have a wonderful new year. Bye now. See you in my next video. Bye.